As it concerns cheap stocks, Nvidia is clearly the leader, and indeed in the broader market, Nvidia is the number one stock. But when you come back to cheap stocks, Micron stock is the next one after Nvidia. Not very much close, but it is the next leader, and you can clearly and easily see that the stock is in a strong bullish trend. This is indeed its chart. You can see that it is indeed its chart, and it's a 200-day moving average is upward sloping, and its MACD histogram is above zero, and also tending upwards as well. The unbalanced volume indicator is also strongly bullish, indicating that buyers have been paying higher prices for the stock. We've also noticed something about its 20-day moving average. It's been serving as a primary supply line, meaning that each time it gets there, each time it retraces towards there, the reverse will be the case. If it retraces towards it, it usually doesn't go through it. If it does go through it, sometimes if it does go through it, the reverse will always be the case. It will pivot and go for higher prices, or go print higher prices. We've seen that. You can even take this as a case as well, even though there's it's pivoted at a discount to that moving average. But we've seen it here. This is as of the 3rd of this was as of the 31st of May, not very long ago, and it's just right on its 20-day moving average, and spiked up slightly, and then retraced again just slightly above it, and then even spiked further, and then came again towards it again, and then even continued to spike further. Now it is now trading at a huge premium to that moving average. We've also seen the pattern as well. These ones are not the most perfect examples, but they're still pretty much the same thing. And in this case, it's more of the 40-day moving average or 50-day moving average. Here is clearly another case as well. These two cases, these are all the way back in March, and we've seen that the pattern. This is early this year, and going back, but volatility has increased of late, especially this year, 2024. And as things stand right now, the stock is trading just slightly out of its price channel, indicating that a retracement might occur. And this is its 1 minute chart. The market hasn't opened yet, and the market is opening in around 4 minutes. So on this 1 minute chart, as things as it were yesterday, the 18th of May, the stock was trading within its price channel. So while we wait for the market to open for Micron stock, we can have a look at its some of the fundamentals and see what has been said about the stock. So the bulls are saying that when memory markets are in an upward swing, and demand is strong, Micron's sales growth and profitability can be impressive. Micron is a major producer of DRAMs and NAND chips with healthy market share positions, allowing it to benefit from secular trends towards AI, 5G, and connected cars. So they like Micron's shareholder returns and view its balance sheet as strong for a cyclical firm. But the bears are saying that Micron has a high fixed cost base that leaves it vulnerable to underutilization charges and major profit compression when memory markets enter a downturn. So they see DRAM and NAND as commodity-like products, and they foresee little ability for Micron to build durable differentiation against its competitors. Micron has meaningful China exposure and bears the risk of further restrictions out of that market, hampering its sales. Yeah, that's what the bears are saying, and those are what the bears and the bulls are saying. So this is its 1 minute chart as well. For some reason, we're not seeing any activity as we count down to the open of today's session. That is today, the 19th of June. And let's see, let's have a look at its 1 day chart, daily chart. So yeah, the stock is trading at a huge premium, at a premium to its most upper projection of $148.7. Going by how probabilities work, the probability of the stock pulling back is quite high. The probability of it pulling back will be quite high. We have it's currently at $153, and the 10-day moving average is at 136.43. Standard deviation is at $6.29. This will easily give you a probability that a pullback is very much likely, and it's also what market participants may be observing. But let's have a look and see if we can find higher prices, higher projections for Micron. So we have here on its weekly chart projection of 161.46. We can't see any projections around here to see if we can determine the probability of it surpassing that sort of level. But you can easily imagine that it's something that can happen. 161.46. Okay, let's have a look at its let's see, monthly chart. Let's see. We have, yes, another projection. We have another projection here as well. We have 161.79 on its monthly chart. Let's see whether we can find anything on the quarterly chart. So 161 is a recurring price. Okay, on its quarterly chart, it's trading at a premium to all of them. We can look at its 4-hour chart. Let's see whether we can see anything. We can see higher prices that it has printed before. Okay, we can't see anything. Let's look at its 3-hour chart. Let's see. We have here 166. Yes, 166.12 is a projection it has. We're counting down a few seconds now before the market opens, and we might be able to see a few more things going on with the stock. On the 2-hour chart, we have 161 as well. So this is it has occurred a lot. So relatively speaking, yes, 161, and then we have here 161 as well. So yes, the stock is the market is open now, and I think it has there are further upper projections on its 1-hour chart. Okay, so let's see. Let's look at a 1-minute chart and see what projections are here. And here we have 154. Okay, it's currently trading at 153. 153 is where it's at right now. Let's see whether we're looking for higher projections for Micron. We've seen 166 and 166 and 161. We have 156.91 on this 2-minute chart. Let's look at the 5-minute chart and see what we have. We have 158.55. 158.55. Okay, let's see what we can, what else we can find. 15-minute chart. Let's see. We have 158.14. Let's return to Think and Swim. What is going on here? We don't have any activity for Micron. We're supposed to see something. The market has opened. We're supposed to see some activity for Micron here. Let's see. Nothing. For some reason, we're not seeing anything yet. We're not seeing anything. The market surely has opened. This is surely has opened. But in any case, upper projection we have for Micron is up to $1.66. See what you make of Micron stock, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.